Hello everyone. So today we will be starting with interview question based on the SQL join concept, which we have covered in the last previous video. I'm assuming that you guys have seen the video. So let's test that with real world SQL interview questions using employees and the department table. I'll paste the table names and the data in it in the description box. You can refer it from there. You will not only get the answers but the logic behind them. Okay, so let's just not waste any time. We'll start. First we'll see the questions and then the output and the answer. Okay, so first is list all the employees with their department names even if department is missing. If you remember, we have some department which is having the null values, so that we have to show all the employees and the department names if no department is assigned, which was null. So we'll write the query. For that we'll use left join. Select e dot name on d dot department name from employees e left join departments d on e dot id e dot department id equals to d dot id. So let's see. So yeah, we got the table. We're starting from employees, so we used left join in it to include everyone, even Charlie and Eve, who doesn't belong to any department. Okay, so next question. So the next question is show only those employees who are assigned to a department. Means I want the department names which is having the solid value, which is having something in it, not null. Okay, so I want those employees who are assigned to any department, to the department. Okay, so for that we need to use inner join, which will get the matching data, if you remember. So if you haven't remember, please watch the video and then practice these questions. Select e name comma d dot department name from employees e inner join departments d on e dot department id equals to d dot id. Okay, so what happened? Okay, there is one spelling mistake. So yeah, we got the data. As I have mentioned, I wanted only those employees who are assigned to any department, so we have filtered out the Charlie and Eve in it. This is basic inner join. It returns only employees with the matching department records, so that is why Charlie and Eve are filtered out. So next question, we have to show employees without a department assigned. This is a reverse question because we want the employees who are not in any department. Okay, means we want the Charlie and Eve in the output, but there is one tricky thing in the question. Okay, so if I wanted the matching data like this question, if I wanted the employees who are having the department, I have used inner join. If I wanted employees who is basically having the department and employees both, and there is nothing there's nothing like no null value or something like that, we simply use the left join. So this time we have to add where condition. How? Let's see. So for that, select e name from employees e left join departments D on E dot department ID equals to D dot ID, where D dot ID is null. So let's see the output. Tada! We got the Charlie and Eve in our output. So this is how they trick the person. Uh, this is the simple question, but we have to think out of the box. We have to think how to get the output. Okay, so there are some times that you know the answer, but this kind of question make you guys think like, how can I solve this and whatever. So this can be solved, like even if you do practice daily, uh, like hardly for 1.5 hours, you can get the ideas how to solve and how to tackle this tricky question. So last question of the video, the next is, show each department and the employees under it if no employees, show none. Okay, so we'll start from the department. We'll use left join to bring all the department, even those with no assigned employees, like marketing department or something. Okay, select D dot department name comma A dot name from departments D left join employees E on D dot ID equals to E dot department ID. Let's run this. So yeah, we got all the department and the names also. Like in the marketing department there were no employees, so we got that information also. Okay, so these are exactly the kind of join based problems you will face in the interview. Practice them with real data set and you will stand out. Okay, if you guys found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Code M, and comment if you want part 2 also with nested joins and subqueries. Thank you so much.